If you're experiencing server timeout issues in CS2, follow these steps to adjust your settings for a quick fix. This guide will help you configure your server timeout effectively. Step 1. Access server configuration. Open the server configuration file typically found in the server's installation directory. Look for a file named server, CFG or similar. Step 2. Locate timeout settings. Within the configuration file, search for any existing timeout settings. This might be labeled as timeout or SV timeout. If you don't find it, you can add a new line. Step 3. Set timeout value. Change or add the timeout value to 2025. You can do this by entering the line SV timeout 2025 in the configuration file. This sets the server timeout to 20-25 seconds. Step 4. Save changes. After making the necessary changes, save the configuration file. Ensure that you have the correct permissions to save changes in the server directory. Step 5. Restart the server. Finally, restart your CS2 server to apply the new timeout settings. This will ensure that the changes take effect and help resolve any timeout issues. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively set up your CS2 server timeout. If issues persist, consider checking your network settings or consulting further resources.